RGTI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short, brief 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm the only guy in this freaking space, stock trading space, that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but sure thing, here it is. You could check it out. And I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And even coming back with RGTI, I can tell you one thing, is that is for my last 2 predictions on this have been correct. Yeah, you can see 926 at the time, 2 weeks back, and then just recently this, which I also did deliver very nicely. This was like 2 days back, and all I can tell you is that I'm looking to double down going into the next week. I mean, I'm talking, if I see the price correcting down, and in this correction I see some sort of a shift and a double break, then there's quite frankly nothing stopping me from doubling down and buying more. I don't know what you mean, but this is ultimately how RGTI is looking like for me, and all I'm doing in the meantime is waiting. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.